The Google Pixel 8 is almost here, as Google has announced that it's holding a launch event on October 4th, where we're also expecting to see the Pixel 8 Pro and probably the Pixel Watch 2. Ahead of that, teasers, rumors, and leaks continue to flow concerning both upcoming devices, and we have detailed all the latest rumblings, alongside our expert predictions, as to their respective specs and prices. Before we get to the leaks, there's some official news on the design of these phones, as Google has now posted a video teaser showing off the back of both the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. We can also see some of the color options here, with the Pixel 8 Pro shown in a porcelain white, and the Pixel 8 in a pinkish rose color. The Pixel 8 series will launch with two models, the standard Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. While a future release of Pixel 8 is possible, the Pixel 8 is rumored to be getting a bit smaller, while the Pixel 8 Pro will get a few new tricks of its own. Each of these models is also expected to have a few different storage configurations available. Google has been rocking the cheap flagship MO for a while now, with the Pixel 6 and 7 starting at $599, while the Pro variants were priced at $899. Unfortunately, it looks like this year could be the end of underpriced Pixels. It is suggested that the Pixel 8 could be $50 to $100 more expensive than in 2022, pointing towards $649 or $699 pricing. The Pixel 8 will have the same resolution and brightness as last year, but will see a higher refresh rate and slightly smaller screen size, while the Pixel 8 Pro has the same size display and refresh rate as last year, but has a slightly different resolution and improved brightness. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will both see an upgrade to the ISOCELL Gen2 on their primary cameras. This will provide a host of new capabilities, including 35% more light processing, the possibility of 8K 30 FPS video capture, and staggered HDR. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to get an upgrade to a 64MP Sony IMX787 for its ultra-wide camera. The Pixel 8 Pro will also get an improved time-of-flight sensor. The Google Camera app could see its first refresh in years. Both of these devices will be powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip. Google's finally putting more up-to-date cores in the chip. The entire CPU block has been re-architected to use 2022 ARM v9 cores. This chip will also enable ray tracing graphics. This is also in fact the first smartphone chip with AV1 encode, and will enable way faster AI processing and possibilities for faster storage and RAM memory upgrades. Apart from this, Wi-Fi 7 will be featured on both phones. The battery will also be increased up to 4,485 mAh for Pixel 8, while the Pro will still be same at 5,000 mAh. There's also rumors that Pixel 8 Pro could go with ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. There's also a leak suggesting Pixel 8 Pro could feature an IR thermometer feature. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will be the first phones to officially run on Android 14 out of the box, which is currently in beta. So yeah, the Pixel 8 series will likely be some of the most talked about phones of 2023. However, if you already rock a Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, there might not be enough reasons to upgrade. What do you guys think? Do let us know in the comment section. Until then, see you guys later.